Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see the detailed review about all new Nissan Magnite. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe and press bell icon. Nissan Magnite is a 5-seater SUV launched at the price band from 4.99 lakhs to 9.59 lakhs ex-Showroom. It already recorded 5,000 bookings in 5 days since its launch. It has 5 variants: XE, XL, XV, XV Premium and XV Premium O. It is powered with 1 litre petrol engine, churns out 100 PS and 160 Nm torque. It has no diesel variants. Engine is coupled to a 5-speed manual transmission gearbox with optional CVT. Expected mileage of this SUV is 18 to 20 km per litre. It features 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, LED headlamps with LED DRLs, and auto AC with rear AC vents. It is more spacious car, having more legroom and having the space to seat 5 people comfortably, and having the boot space of 336 liters. It also offers wireless charging, air purifier, high quality JBL speakers, attracting LED scuff plates, ambient lighting and puddle lamps. On safety front, it comes with dual front airbags, rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, hill launch control and electronic stability control. The competitors of Nissan Magnite are Kia Sonet, Tata Nexon, Maruti Vitara Brezza, Hyundai Venue, Mahindra XEV300, Ford EcoSport, Toyota Urban Cruiser. For further updates, please stay tuned to our channel. Also, please watch our other videos.